Does insurance cover slashed tires? Have you ever wondered what happens if you find your tires slashed? It can be a frustrating experience, but understanding your car insurance can help you navigate this situation. Let's break down how car insurance works when it comes to slashed tires. First, it is important to know what car insurance typically covers. Standard car insurance policies include liability coverage, which pays for damage you cause to others, but not for damage to your own vehicle. For damage to your own car, you need extra coverage. One type of extra coverage is called comprehensive coverage. This is not required by law, but many drivers choose to add it. Comprehensive coverage helps pay for damage to your car that happens from things other than a collision. Examples include theft, fire, falling objects, and yes, vandalism, which is where slashed tires come in. If your tires are slashed as a result of vandalism, comprehensive coverage can help pay for the repair or replacement of those tires. This applies whether 1, 2, 3, or all 4 tires are slashed. There is a common myth that insurance will only cover for slashed tires and not 3, but this is not true. The number of tires damaged does not affect coverage eligibility. However, there are some practical points to keep in mind. First, you must have comprehensive coverage in place before the damage occurs. Second, the cost to repair or replace the tires must be higher than your deductible. The deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance starts to pay. For example, if your deductible is $500 and the tire damage costs $400, your insurance will not cover it. If the damage is $600, you would pay $500, and your insurance would cover the remaining $100. If you have comprehensive coverage on your car insurance policy, slashed tires caused by vandalism are usually covered, regardless of how many tires are damaged. The key is that the damage must be from a covered event and exceed your deductible. If you do not have comprehensive coverage, slashed tires will not be covered by your standard car insurance policy. So, if you find yourself in this unfortunate situation, check your policy. Knowing what is covered can help you make informed decisions and ease some of that stress.